That Raghav Chadha, the government saying again and again that private industry is being mobilized, the railways are being used, the air force, the army, and that oxygen is now available to governments. And in court and elsewhere, the point being made is it's state governments such as yours which aren't being able to ensure the last mile connectivity to take it from the suppliers, give it to the hospitals in a real-time basis, that you are mismanaging the last mile.
Well, Rahul, I have absolutely no intention of getting into a political slugfest with my friend Amit Batra. But of course, he, in a very clever way, tried to put the entire blame
on the state government and essentially abdicate the centre's responsibility, which is not just unfortunate, but perhaps even inhuman. In fact, the Honorable Supreme Court today said, and I quote, and they said this to the central government. They remarked and said that as a national authority, which has a responsibility to the national capital, you are answerable. The central government today was pulled up by the Honorable Supreme Court on the following grounds. Number one, what has been allocated to us as oxygen is a mere paper allocation. We demanded roughly 700 metric tons of oxygen. We were allocated initially 378, then it was revised to 490 metric ton. But even the paper allocation of 490 metric ton is not actually being received in Delhi. What is being received is close to 350, 360, on a good day 380 metric ton. So there is a big shortfall between what is being delivered and what is being allocated. Demand is of course higher, but even if we are allocated what has been, if it is delivered what is being allocated to us, it will solve a lot of problems for us. Now it brings me to the point of logistics as to how do we bring it to Delhi, and the blame that has been pinned on us by the union government that we are unable to bring them or source them from these far-flung areas in eastern part of India. Now, the Delhi High Court in no uncertain terms said this, Rahul, that Delhi is not an industry state. We don't have oxygen producing plants in Delhi. We don't have cryogenic tankers flying on the streets of Delhi. And therefore, it is the responsibility of the center to bring this oxygen in cryogenic tanks and leave it at the doorstep of Delhi for distribution. The intrastate distribution within Delhi is the subject of the government of Delhi, at the administration of Delhi. But to bring it to the doorstep of Delhi is the responsibility of the union government. Now, I wish to work closely with the union government. I hope that the differences between the state and the center get resolved. A lot of meeting between our bureaucrats and the Ministry of Home Affairs are going on. We are hopeful that all these differences will be ironed out. But let me point out one very important fact to you, which was brought to our notice yesterday in court, which is, and it will surprise you, Rahul, which is that of the 18 states that demanded a particular oxygen allocation from the union government, out of 18 states, 17 of them were given what they had asked for, and in cases of some states, even more than what they had asked for. It is only in case of Delhi that we were not even given 50% of the total demand of oxygen in Delhi.
Now let Samit Batra respond to this, because this is